Hey there, it's Lori Jean. I want to do a quick review of these under bed storage bags. Now, as you can see, this is the product when I received it all folded up. You open it up and you see that it has a clear plastic cover, which or a plastic top. I really like that because then you can see exactly what you're storing. They measure 39 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 7 inches deep. They have these handles on the side for carrying. They're breathable, but they're close up entirely with these zippers to fight moisture and dust, so it protects your clothes. Now, this is what it looks like when it's full. Now, the pictures of it show these beautiful, perfectly square things. Well, that's not going to happen. But this fits beautifully under my bed. We live in a very small home, 70s style with the smaller bedrooms, so we don't have a lot of storage in our rooms. So I just put my seasonal clothes in there, stuff it under the bed, and it's no problem. Other thing I'd like to talk about this is, while you can carry these around, these are not made for, heavy lifting, heavy toting, putting anything heavy in there, because that's not the way that's not what they were designed for. They're designed for just putting in a certain amount of clothing, toys, whatever, not too heavy, because I could see how easily this could rip or tear because it's not really heavy duty materials. But for my purposes, this works really, really great, and I say that these were a good buy.